What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to apply a new link into our YouTube channel bio in a simple, fast and effective way. For this video I'm gonna be using my wife's YouTube channel from insurance broker. Here's the channel, and go to the channel page by clicking on your top right corner photo from Google account, and from here click on customize channel. After this, make sure that you have everything on branding, like your photo, your banner image and the video watermark, and after this go to the basic info. Once in basic info, go to the links option and you can see a button to add a link. Click into this add link button, apply the link title. This gonna be a link to another site, not to a social media, but as you can see, you can apply links to social media, for example, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, in the case that you want. Find your link. Post the URL right here and click on publish. Just an important note, if you go to the channel and review it, you will not be able to see the link into the right side of your screen next to the banner image. We only have 4 links because next to the link option we have the links on banner. We have 4 links on banner. We need to select 5 because it's the number now. Click on it, update the settings, and now we can see our link next to the banner. Simple, fast, easy, and effective. In some moments, YouTube is gonna be able to load the fave icon from the website, and this little icon gonna be changed from the branding icon. In addition, in the case that you go to the channel page into the About section, you can see among the channel description all the links that we have added into the section, independently if the amount of icons fits into the banner size or not. All the icons gonna appear right here. We have almost unlimited options and places to apply links right here. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes and subscribe in both channels. And I see you later. All the best!